VEO Google Deepmind AI is one of the most talked about software releases in AI right now. If you're curious about it and want to understand its true potential, stick around as I walk you through 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this groundbreaking technology. Now, before diving in, if you're looking to try out VEO Google Deepmind for yourself, you can grab a free trial from the first link in the description below. Let's get into it. First, VEO Google Deepmind is powered by one of the most sophisticated AI frameworks available today. It's designed to revolutionize how businesses approach automation, from data analysis to predictive modeling, making complex tasks easier and faster. But what truly sets this software apart is its seamless integration with existing tools, making it incredibly user-friendly. One of the key features is its natural language processing, NLP. VEO leverages Deepmind's cutting-edge language models to perform complex semantic understanding, meaning it can interact with you in ways that feel more like conversing with a human than just pulling up data. It can understand context, tone, and nuances within text, making it incredibly useful for customer service, content creation, and even market research. Another standout feature is its predictive analytics capabilities. With just a few inputs, VEO can analyze trends, forecast future movements, and give you strategic insights that were once only available through expensive consulting firms. Whether you're tracking consumer behavior or market shifts, this tool offers data-backed predictions that can shape your next big business move. If you're working with data, VEO is designed to help you streamline your workflow. It can automatically clean, sort, and interpret large datasets, reducing hours of manual work to a matter of minutes. This efficiency frees up your team to focus on creative and strategic tasks instead of getting bogged down in tedious data entry. What's even better, the platform is built with scalability in mind. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a large enterprise, VEO can adapt to your needs. The intuitive interface and customizable features make it easy for users at any level to dive into AI without a steep learning curve. But let's talk about one more critical element: security. With any AI-driven software, data security is paramount. VEO Google Deepmind employs some of the highest security standards in the industry, ensuring that your data stays protected while you leverage the software's power to make smarter business decisions. Lastly, VEO's ability to automate customer interactions and streamline communication workflows is a game changer. Imagine automating your customer service, lead generation, and even content generation with an AI that gets smarter over time. It's a major win for businesses looking to save time and boost productivity. So there you have it, 7 crucial things you need to know about VEO Google Deepmind. As someone who's tried and tested hundreds of AI tools, I can confidently say that this is one of the best just released AI software solutions out there right now. And don't forget, you can try VEO Google Deepmind for free through the first link in the description below. After you've had a chance to explore it, I've also included my recommended AI software tools in the description that you can try for free. I've tested thousands of them and only recommend the best. Check it out and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.